And then here is your living room. And then so right here is your kitchen. Again a spacious kitchen and then comes your bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a sample flat tour of Crystal View by Crystal Group located in San Kolivara near Mini Punjab. If you are also looking for affordable 3 to 4 BHK flats, then this project is the perfect match for your choice. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office and the actual tower. Have a look at it. This road right here leads you to the main road. I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of the project. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Now let's go and see the project overview of this project in detail. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 1.20 acres with single towers, ground plus 30 residential floors, with configuration of 3 and 4 BHK. As you can see, right behind me is the actual tower. Talking about the amenities, this project has all necessary amenities, that is 15 plus, which includes swimming pool, gymnasium, banquet hall, kids play area and many more. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual tower, the main gate, and this road right here leads you to the Eastern Express Highway. You can also check the neighborhood. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in San Kolivara near Mini Punjab with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, King Circle Station at a distance of just 4 minutes walk, and monorail at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 3 BHK sample flat tour with carpet area of 1353 square feet. As I enter, right here is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. And then to my right comes the kitchen. Come, let's have a look at the kitchen. So right here is your kitchen. Again, a spacious kitchen. You will be getting two sides of parallel platform. Right now it's under construction because this is an actual flat. And right where your platform ends is your refrigerator space. Now let's go check out the living room. So right here is your very spacious living room. This side is going to be your dining space. So a 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate over here because it's a very spacious flat. As I mentioned, 1353 carpet area. And then here is your living room. And then right in the living room, you get attached balcony. Of course, a very spacious balcony with open view outside. Have a look at it. So this balcony is quite spacious. 3 to 4 people can easily sit together, have their family time, enjoy their coffee with the nice view, open view outside, and good sunlight and ventilation. Now let's go and check out the bedrooms. So as we move ahead, to my right is your common washroom. So this is going to be your common washroom, a spacious common washroom which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And right in front of this washroom is going to be your bedroom number 1. So come, let's have a look at your bedroom number 1. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1. Again, a spacious bedroom, enough walkable space. This whole wall can be dedicated for your wardrobe space. Your bed can come here. Look at the amount of space in this room. And then you get a balcony attached to your bedroom as well. Now let's go check out the other rooms. So as we move ahead, here is your bedroom number 2, which is a master bedroom. As we walk ahead, here is your foyer space of the bedroom for privacy. Have a look at the foyer space. And then here comes your attached washroom. Again, look at the amount of space in attached washroom. It's a quite spacious attached washroom which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then comes your bedroom. So here just have a look at the space in this room. I am walking and showing you so that you get an idea of how spacious this bedroom is. And then you get balcony attached to this bedroom, and let me tell you, this is going to be a running balcony to your the third balcony as well. So this balcony is going to be a running balcony which leads you to your second master bedroom, which is the third bedroom of the house. Now let's go and check out our last bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free, guys, and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the last bedroom. So here is your last bedroom. As I enter, in the start only is your attached washroom. Have a look at it. A spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then comes your bedroom. So again, a spacious bedroom, almost of the equivalent size of the second bedroom. Just walking around and showing you the amount of walkable space in this room. And then again, as I told, that you get a balcony, which is a running balcony from your bedroom number 2. So you get a long balcony, see on the opposite side as well. So this was the 3 BHK actual flat tour of Crystal View by Crystal Group located in Sion. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing project, do check the icon button.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.